Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How is your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, in this video series, we are going to be learn about what is artificial intelligence and machine learning for kids. Okay, so who can watch this video? For example, if your child is around 6 to 7 year old, they can start till 15 to 16-year-old. Okay, so you can watch this video. Now let's get start. Okay, so the very first thing I will explain you what is AI ML. Okay, now AI is like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, so ML is machine learning. We can say, for example, I will give you some examples. For example, like Alexa, Siri. Okay, we have a automated car that is based on AI ML. Okay, so we can say AI is the overall thing. In that, we have one part which is like machine learning, and this is like your AI. Okay, so over here, first we are going to, for example, we wanted to create some models. Okay, so for this model, we have to be give the training. Okay, so whatever training you will give, your model will act like that. Okay, after providing the training, we will test your model whether whatever training we gave, it is working or not. Okay, so these all are some steps of AI ML. So first we will collect the data means, for example, we wanted to create one model who will going to be identify what is cat, what is dog. Okay, so in order to create this model, first we will require some cat images, right? Then we will require some dog images. So this is nothing but our data. Cat image and dog image is our data. After collecting this data, we are going to be provide training. Okay, we will train our model so that we can say, okay, this is cat image. So if you will get something like this feature, you have to be say this is cat. If you will get the dog image and if you will get this feature, so you need to say, okay, this is dog. Okay, after giving this training, we need to test the model whether it is working properly or not. So we are going to be implement this concept. So you can watch this entire video series. We will try to do some very good projects so that you are able to learn the concept of AI ML. The next part, what we will require in order to do this project. So like which platform we are going to be require. Okay, so we will require the platform which is called as PictoBlox. So I will explain you how to use a PictoBlox. In this video, we are going to be see how to use a PictoBlox online or how you can download the PictoBlox in your laptop or in your computer. Okay, so that we will see both the thing. So this is our first video of AI ML. So the very first thing, you need to create your ID in PictoBlox and you have to be downloaded also. Okay, so in Google we will just search for PictoBlox. You will get this link which is PictoBlox AI. If you will check the description box, I'm going to be provide you the link as well. Okay, so that you can directly click on the link also. Once you will open it, the very first thing we are going to be sign in. Why? Because we wanted to save our projects. Okay. So that's why we have to be first sign in. You need to click on sign in. It will ask you register and sign in. So if you are a first time user, always you need to register. Okay. There are two options, student and teacher. So you are a student, you wanted to learn it, you need to just click on this one, student. It is asking you, are you over 16-year-old? If yes, so select yes, otherwise no. For example, no. So if you will select no, it will ask you your parent email ID, like your guardian email ID. Then you have to be put your password, username. You need to create a username. create your password, you can use the automated password or else you can select your own password. Okay. So you have to be just try to add your email ID, create your own username, and then click on create your password. Okay. For example, let me put my user ID over here. So after adding your all the details like your email ID, your user ID, you need to create select your user ID, then you have to be create a password. Okay. After that, you will get this one waiting for the guardian approval. So what you need to do for that? You will get in the same email ID, you will get one mail. Okay. So that what you can do once you will get the mail, you have to be open your mailbox and try to confirm that. Okay. For example, this one. So over here, you need to just click on I agree. And once you will click on I agree, it means you are able to create your projects now. Okay. This is overall thing that we will do. Now let's get started. Now second time, once you will open the PictoBlox now, you need to again open it. Now instead of sign in, okay, what you need to select instead of register, now you will get your name over here. Complete your registration, for example. Okay. After putting that, once you will enter your, for example, you are entering your email ID, your username, your password. After that, you need to confirm the mail. Again, open your PictoBlox. You will get something like this. Complete your registration. You need to select your age. For example, what's your age? If you are, for example, 12-year-old, your gender, you belongs to which country? So I'm from India. So I will just select India over here. Okay. You can and click on submit. So that as you can see, we created one user ID and password. Okay. Okay. After that, the second thing, how we can download it. Okay. Now, once you will refresh, it means you are able to create your projects now. Okay. The second thing, how we can download it now. As you can see, this is showing now my username and password. Okay. Now, these things I'm going to be explain you in the next video. So you can watch this whole series. Okay. Let's get start the second one, how to download it. You need to just start your PictoBlox download. Like just search for it. Even I'm going to be provide you this link as well. Okay. So we will just try to open the first link, PictoBlox Windows. Over here, for example, which system you are using. If you are using the Mac operating system, go with Mac, Linux. If you are using the Chromebook, Android or iOS. So my system is Windows. That's why I selected the Windows. Over here also, you have to be just see what's your configuration. It's a 64-bit operating system or it's a 32-bit. So my operating system is a 64-bit. Okay, over here, you need to put your name, you need to put your email ID, okay, and then just press download now. So what will happen? We will download it and it will start download as you can see. If you will go to your download section, it will start download, okay? So as the file is little bit big, for example, it's a 700 MB file. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes, and that is also depend on your internet speed, what speed you are using. Okay. So it will take little bit time. And then once it will download your file, Then we will start how to install it. Okay, the installation step is very easy. You need to open the file, and then we will just press next button, so that we are able to we are able to install it in our laptop. Okay, so let's see how much time it will take. Okay, so what you need to do, once it will start download, like it started downloading, once it will finish, you need to just click on the file and press next button, so that you are able to install that inside your laptop. Okay, so you have to be first create your account in PictoBlox. You need to download it, so that in the next video I'm going to be explain you how we can create our projects. Okay, so till that, please try to install it, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.